Introducing the special edition tungsten LCS Air Arms SK-19 fully automatic air rifle, available from Airguns of Arizona. This unique metallic tungsten rifle is a professional Cerakote which creates a stylish and durable surface with an eye-catching appeal. The SK-19 tactical style air rifle represents a new generation in hammerless design, and the select fire function allows for semi-auto or full auto rates of fire that will get your heart pumping. The LCS SK-19 magazine provides 19 shots and will chamber the longest available pellets or slugs. In full auto mode, the rifle will run through the 19-shot magazine in under 3 seconds, making it the fastest, highest capacity, fully automatic air rifle in the world. The precision Lothar-Walther barrel ensures superior accuracy, and the barrel is covered with a carbon fiber shroud and moderator for low muzzle report. This regulated air rifle is fully adjustable with an easy-to-access adjustment knob in front of the breech and an adjustable rear power wheel for precision tuning and command of the air delivery mechanism. The SK-19 is a leap forward in air gunning fun and performance and is made in the USA. Get your special edition tungsten SK-19 today from Airguns of Arizona while supplies last.